In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Shopify Search and Discovery app. We'll start right inside your Shopify admin. From your dashboard, open the Settings area. This is where you manage the behind-the-scenes pieces of your store, and it's the quickest path to the tools we need. In Settings, go to Apps. This page lists what's already installed and gives you a direct link to Shopify's app marketplace. Next, select Shopify App Store to open the marketplace in a new tab. At the top, you'll see a search bar. Type the word highlight. That query will surface the Shopify Search and Discovery app among the results. When you see the Search and Discovery listing from Shopify, click into it to view details like features, screenshots, and reviews so you know you're in the right place. Go ahead and click Install. Shopify will show you the permissions the app needs to function. Review those briefly, then click Install again to confirm. That second confirmation completes the setup and brings the app into your store so you can configure it. Once the app opens, choose the option to customize filter settings. Filters are what shoppers use to narrow results on your collection and search pages, and they make a huge difference in product discovery, especially for large catalogs. Inside the customization area, click Add Filter. You'll be prompted to choose where the filter's data comes from. Select Source, then choose Product. This tells Shopify to build the filter from product-level information in your catalog, such as attributes you've already added to your items. Using product as the source helps keep your filters accurate and automatically updated as your inventory changes. After selecting product, click Save. Saving publishes the filter to your storefront so your customers can start using it right away. If you're previewing your theme, you should see the new filter appear in the sidebar or toolbar of your collection and search templates, depending on your theme's layout. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see many filter options, make sure your products have consistent, well-filled attributes. Filters can only use the data that's already in your catalog. If your theme caches settings, refresh the preview to see updates. And remember, you can return to the app at any time to adjust, reorder, or expand your filters as your merchandising strategy evolves. That's it. Install complete, filter created, and saved. You've just enabled Shopify Search and Discovery and set up a product-based filter to help shoppers find what they want faster.